Greetings, friends. I'm Taylor. Have you missed me? You probably want more of my videos. That's what I'm here for today. All right, so, you know, the usual go-to place. Well, can I get this on? I kind of says Five Below. Yeah, you get the gist of it. All right. Let's see what I bought myself. Bought myself on this occasion. First up, we have. That's kind of fun. Look at this thing. This is obviously just a tray to put stuff in your car. I don't personally need this, but because I have a good phone holder, also I got from Five Below. But yeah, I have reasons for this. Let's just put this over here off camera. Next, we got some computer speakers. Might be wondering why I have computer speakers. Might be wondering, did you the words? Let's try that again. No, I'm not editing that out. I think I got computer speakers once before, but I don't know. These look pretty good, and they were inexpensive, and I was having some problems with the audio on my computer. So I figured another backup plan might be in order. I would throw this, but it's not very light. All right, moving on here. What else did I get? Ooh, remember these? I said I was going to get more. This thing is absolutely fantastic, which is why I got not one, but two more. I mean, I actually tested this. Works fantastic on my smart TV. Works on my PlayStation. Does not work on my Switch, unfortunately. Works on my PC. I mean, if you want a keyboard, but you don't want, you know, a keyboard, dude, this thing is fantastic. And you may or may not notice, let's put this thing up and nice, close towards camera. You may notice that up in this little area here, there are DVD control buttons. So if you're one of those people, if you're someone that loses your remote for your DVD player, and you're wondering why you can't start a DVD because there's no button, no enter button on the device itself, keep losing your remotes, here you go. To anyone that loses your remotes, you know I'm talking to you. I don't know why I'm pointing off to the side. I need to be pointing directly at the camera. Stop losing your remotes. Stop misplacing your batteries. You need the actual remote to operate a DVD player, period. Moving on. End of shtick. All right, here we go. Let's throw those over there. They're light. They're not going to get damaged. All right, what do we got? We got a bag. Why do I have a Five Below bag with me? I honestly don't know why that was in there. I don't even remember. Who cares? There we go. On with the show. Here we go. Okay, I got myself not one, but two sketchbooks. You might be wondering, why did you get not one, but two sketchbooks? If you know me, you see the color of the sketchbook. I have lots of sketchbooks, but I can always use more. And I haven't seen very many sketchbooks that come in orange, so that was a thing. All right, here we go. Bag number one. Don't throw that over your head and, you know, run out of oxygen. That would be unfortunate. Moving on. I got a xylophone. Why did I get a xylophone? I don't know. Just a little thing to make noises. Might be able to record it. Might be good for streams, bits. I don't know. I just like the sound of a xylophone. And there's no xylophone in GarageBand, so we'll see how that works out. Moving on. Okay, now these I like. These I saw on the website and just had to go find them in the store. Look at that. That, I know it says it's like for kids, but that, there, let's get that, there we go. Now we got a good angle. That is a frog skeleton. And based on a quick Google search, this is a relatively accurate frog skeleton, which means this will be fantastic for drawing reference. I mean, that I have a three-dimensional thing I can move around and track where the bones in a frog are. So that is actually invaluable, which is why I found and also bought this. That is a gecko skeleton. Might notice, I guess it's supposed to be a leopard gecko. I actually have not one, but two pet leopard geckos, so I can always use them for reference as well. But this will stay still a little bit more than a live gecko will. That went well. This is so fun. I love making these videos. Okay, there we go. That'll go. Oh God, this will go great in post. This will go great to fix later. All right, that is good enough. Let's see, was there anything else? I believe there's one more thing. Taylor, bring in the thing. Taylor. Taylor. All right, he must be sleeping. I'm gonna go get him. I'll be right back. Yeah, I want something done right. Got to do it yourself. He sleeps too much. Oh well, what can you do? So lazy. He needs to get up and exercise more. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. Ha ha! That's on camera upside down. Speaking of being lazy, this is the opposite of lazy. This is a weight bench. Yeah. Maybe I'll actually I do actually have some free weights. I don't use them very often, but why am I covering my mouth? I'm not Batman. All right. So hopefully I'll get some, be ambitious enough to get some use out of this. You can't see because it's off camera, but I also have a treadmill next to me now. Anyways, that's it for this adventure. Again, I'm Taylor. Farewell, friends.